Select the rectangle tool, click and drag the tool to the desired size you want. If the rectangle needs to be moved before adding stairs, select the Move tool and click on the center of the rectangle to move it to the new desired location. We are now going to add individual stairs. Select the Line tool and click and drag to generate a line that connects to the opposite side of the rectangle. Repeat this step until you have the desired number of stairs generated. If the lines are uneven, you can use the Move tool to move the lines. We are now going to make the steps 3D. Select the Push-Pull tool and click and drag upward to your desired height. Repeat the step for each step. Once you make your stairs 3D, small lines on the side of your staircase will be generated. To get rid of these lines, use the Select tool and select the line, and then use the Eraser tool to delete the line. Your staircase is now complete.